Hey guys, I've got something exciting to share with you today that could seriously level up your life. We're talking about 5 simple habits that, when implemented consistently, can make a huge difference in your overall health, happiness, and longevity. These aren't complicated life hacks or expensive routines. They're straightforward practices that anyone can start right now. So, let's dive in and explore how these habits can transform your daily life and set you up for a brighter future. Alright, so let's kick things off with something super simple yet incredibly effective: taking regular walks. Now I know what you're thinking. Walking? Really? But hear me out. This low-impact exercise is a game changer for both your physical and mental health. It's like, the Swiss Army knife of habits. It does a little bit of everything. And get this, walking isn't just about burning calories. It's a cardiovascular workout that helps regulate your blood sugar, manages your weight, and combats nasty stuff like hypertension and obesity. Plus, it's a great way to clear your head, reduce stress, and boost your mood. And the best part? You can start right now. Next up, let's talk about what you're putting into your body. You know the saying, "You are what you eat"? Well, it turns out there's a lot of truth to that. Paying attention to your diet is crucial for long-term health and vitality. But don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to go on some crazy restrictive diet. It's all about, the good stuff like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Now check this out. According to the National Institute on Aging, a nutrient-rich diet can reduce the risk 35%. That's huge. It's not just about looking good or having energy for your workouts. What you eat plays a massive role in your brain health and cognitive function as you age. Speaking of brain health, let's talk about how to keep that mind of yours sharp as a tack. This habit is all about engaging in mentally stimulating activities. Think of your brain like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. So, what kind of mental workouts am I talking about? Well, it could be anything from reading a good book to solving puzzles, learning a new skill, or even just having a stimulating conversation with a friend. Why does this matter? Well, these activities help maintain your cognitive function and protect against age-related decline. It's like building a cognitive reserve that you can tap into as you get older. And the best part? It's fun! Now let's flex those muscles. Literally. Habit number 4 is all about strength training. And before you start picturing bodybuilders and huge dumbbells, let me clarify. I'm talking about resistance exercises that can be done with minimal equipment, even at home. This habit is especially crucial as we age because it combats that pesky age-related muscle loss, improves mobility and balance, and even boosts bone density. But here's the cool part. Strength training isn't just about looking good at the beach, although that's a nice bonus. It's about maintaining your independence and ability to perform daily tasks as you get older. Think about it. Being able to carry your groceries, play with your grandkids, or even just get up from a chair without struggle. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about your social life. Yep, maintaining strong social connections is actually a crucial habit for your well-being and longevity. It's easy to underestimate the power of social ties, especially in our increasingly digital world, but the impact is real and significant. In fact, studies have shown that social isolation can have negative health impacts comparable to smoking. That's pretty mind-blowing, right? On the flip side, having a strong social network provides a sense of belonging, support, and purpose. It's not just about having fun, although that's important too. It's about creating a support system that can help you through life's ups and downs and give you a reason to stay healthy and engaged as you age. Now, about all these habits we've discussed, they're not one-time fixes or quick solutions. The real magic happens when you practice them consistently. It's never too late to start adopting these habits, but the key is to stick with them. Think of it like compound interest for your health. Small, consistent efforts add up to big results over time. And you know what? It's okay if you miss a day or slip up occasionally. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. What matters is that you keep coming back to these habits, making them a regular part of your routine. While we're all about building these healthy habits, it's crucial to remember to listen to your body along the way. Pay attention to how you feel as you implement these changes. If something doesn't feel right, or if you have any health concerns, don't hesitate to consult with a doctor. Your body often knows best, so tune in to what it's telling you. Even tiny changes can make a big difference over time. Maybe start with adding an extra serving of vegetables to your meals. As you get comfortable, you can gradually increase your efforts. Try combining social interaction with physical activity. Join a walking group, take a cooking class with friends, or sign up for a team sport. This way, you're knocking out 2 habits at once and multiplying the benefits. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every small step you take is a step towards a better you. So why not start today? Your future self will thank you.